I am Mayo. Being creative and unique keep me sane. I move to rhythm and touch my soul with art. I am me. African, an oracle of culture and lore. Skipping with joy, carefree, rooted to the earth and as colorful as the earth. My skin is dark and fruitful, just as Mother Earth. Because of this, my joy knows no bounds. African me. Grounded by faith, shaped in belief, inspired by the Supreme Being, free to think, free to believe, making me me, believing me. Uniqueness in diversity, bursting in my face. An aurora of life, you are you, continuing me. Aspirations born of ambitions, living today in futuristic worlds. My goal, my drive, my life, to be, to become, my desire. Dreams are like fantasies, fantasies that should become a reality. I am